Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do our mid-morning looking forward video. It is Friday, March 14th. Let's go over all the stock index futures here. I'm going to start with the S&P. I'm going to give you guys a little heads up here what I'm looking for this morning. I'm going to give you a heads up on what I'm looking for in the S&P and what I see it doing based on some of the other moves here. So, all right, it's about 7:30 here on the West Coast, so 9:30 Central. So kind of in the middle of the morning trading session here. Just want to get this out early because I'm going to stop trading at lunchtime and I have an appointment to go to. So right now I am looking for. Look at this S&P. We had that resistance at 46.50 that I talked about in last night's video. 46.50. That's an area we've talked about oh so much in these markets. So we've not quite gotten there. We came up. We tested it, as you can see here. We tested that 46.50, got rejected, and now we're back down inside of this sideways, choppy type trading range that we're in right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other markets. This is the S&P. You see we're creating kind of a doji down near yesterday's close. Let's go over to the NASDAQ. Kind of the same look. It's a little bit lower, but nonetheless, just a little doji near yesterday's lows down here near support. The Dow, same thing, virtually the exact same type of price action. But then we got the Russell. The Russells had this really nice kickoff day here. So basically we have three of them here sitting kind of sideways, kind of chopping, just kind of dancing around here. And then you got the Russell, the one, is having a pretty bullish day, having a pretty strong push. What usually happens when you got one of them pushing, the other three just kind of lagging behind? The three will go up and join that one. Just like yesterday when the Russell was obviously on a tear to the downside and the other three were lollygagging around up here, the Russell forced some other three down yesterday and ended up having a nice big down day yesterday on all four stock indexes. So I'm kind of looking at that right now as the same type of a trading pattern. As you see, the Russell is definitely holding its momentum, definitely holding stronger. And the other three are kind of dancing around down here near the lows from yesterday. So could be a little secret moving forward here. Maybe we can get the Russell to grab the other three and kind of guide them along here going on to the rest of the day. But I'm not sure. Let's go back to the S&P and I'm going to explain how I'm going to trade that moving forward here. Obviously, we have that 46.50, guys. I am still a stickler about that 46.50. I want the price to get above that. So, if we get above that 46.50, I will slowly start to look for long opportunities. Mind you, we do have the 8 period coming down on top of us, the 21 period coming up below us. This is, as I said in yesterday's video, this is becoming a very dangerous zone when you have the 8 period coming down, the 21 coming up, and the market's getting in here real pinched. It needs to go somewhere. So whether this breaks to the upside or downside, I don't really care. But this is how I'm going to trade it. Any type of break to the upside, I'm going to be cautiously bullish above this 46.5. I'm going to slowly start to look at putting on positions here above the 46.5. Probably going to need to get it above the 50s for me to be aggressively bullish because of that 8 period moving average. It comes down on top of there as that resistance. And then anything below yesterday's low, I will start to look for further downside opportunity. I'll look for this thing to go ahead and catch some momentum because that'll get us down below this 21 period moving average, below yesterday's price action, and we got quite a bit of room until we come down here and retest the next support around the 20s. So the 1820s would be my next line of support if we were to sell off. So very interesting though. We got our bullish level, we got our bearish level, but we have the Russell here just continuing to hold this market up as the other three are just kind of dancing sideways. So will it drag them along? We will see. But if it does, the 46.5 is where I'm looking to possibly start to get a little bit more aggressively long. And anything below, obviously below them yesterday's lows is where I'll start to look. And then we got plenty of room, a good 20 points here in the S&P to drop. So So plenty of room to make some profits intraday. So that's how I'm going to look at this market, guys. That's how I'm going to try to watch it from moving forward. I'm going to take a close eye on that Russell, make sure it's holding strong, and see if these other three can come get a little momentum and start to trade back up to the upside with that Russell. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, adam@directiontrader.com. If you don't, I want to hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you in Monday's video. Have a good day.